Hey friend, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're juggling your full-time job and just looking for ways to earn extra income, this video is for you. You won't need anything fancy, just a laptop and a reliable internet connection. And of course, it's about typing jobs. You've seen that in the title. These typing jobs are open to people all around the world, regardless of where you live. Yes, as a Nigerian, you can apply for these roles. As long as you've got an internet connection, you are eligible. Unlike some transcription companies that limit hiring to specific locations, this company has a global reach. Now, here's the best part. There are no fixed hours you're required to work. You get to decide when and how much you want to work. Your schedule is basically in your hands. You will receive your earnings at the end of the month via PayPal or bank transfer, which is good for you if you're a Nigerian or you're from one of those countries blacklisted by PayPal. Yeah, Nigeria is one of them. Okay, so at the end of the month you get your earnings via PayPal or bank transfer, giving you the flexibility you need. Before I tell you the name of the company, let's talk about what the work entails. As a typist primarily handling transcription jobs, your task will be to review and correct automatically generated transcripts based on audio files or video files. You won't be starting from scratch. The goal is to turn an imperfect transcript into a perfect one, following the company's guidelines. And finally, before I tell you the company, I would like to state that this is just an opportunity I came across and decided to share with you. I do not work for this company and have not been paid to make this video. I hope you pay attention and apply if this resonates with your interests. The company I'm talking about is Ambascript. Become a transcriber, subtitler, or translator. You have options. You can either apply as a transcriber, translator, or subtitler. Now, if you decide to apply as a transcriber, your job will be to listen to audio, revise the automatically generated text to make it perfect. And you also have to label speakers. As a transcriber, you can earn between 0.45 euros and 1.2 euros per audio or video minute, which equates to $0.48 to $1.29 per minute. If you work on 1 audio hour a week, you can earn between $28.8 and $77.4 per week. In a month, that adds up to a potential earning of $576 to $1,548. Do the math. Okay, so as a subtitler or captioner, your work will be to watch videos, revise the automatically generated text to make it perfect, format and synchronize text with audio. Captioners have the opportunity to earn even more. You make between 0.9 euros and 1.9 euros per video minute, equivalent to $0.97 to $2.05 per minute. If you work on 5 video hours a week, you could earn between $291 and $61.5 weekly. Your monthly earnings could range from $1,164 to $2,460. Alright, if being a translator is the perfect fit for you, this is what you'll be doing according to the website. You watch caption videos, revise the machine translated captions to make them perfect, format and synchronize text with audio. As a translator, the pay is even higher. You can earn between 6.5 euros and 6 euros per audio/video minute, which translates to $3.78 to $6.47 per minute. Working on 5 audios or videos per week could lead to weekly earnings between $1,109 and $1,941. Monthly, you could be looking at earning anywhere from $4,456 to $7,764 or more if you take on more projects. But hey, there's more. Transcript also offers opportunities for audio description scriptwriters, dubbing, voiceover actors, and artists. These roles pay between 3 euros to 16 euros per video or audio minute, which is equivalent to $3.24 to $17.26 per minute. Depending on your workload, you can make some serious cash in these roles. So friend, if you're ready to jump in to apply for any of these positions, the link to the website is in the description of this video. Just click on the apply now button for the job that suits your skills. Please keep in mind that they may not always be hiring for English positions, so explore opportunities in other languages as well, such as Spanish, French, and more. Alright, if you have more questions, this is the FAQ section. You can explore the questions here and I hope you get the answers to your questions. Again, I do not work for this company. I'm sharing this opportunity because I believe it can benefit many of you looking to earn extra income from home. So friend, if you find value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support. I do not take it for granted. Thank you so much.